Hey, let's make some wings. So I start off by drawing out wings and cutting them out on sheets of Ava foam. I then use these carpets slash mat things that I got from the dollar store just to make like bones, a little bit of a structure for the wings. I cut little triangular notches into them so that I can bend and twist them. I used Mod Podge, but I would highly suggest using contact cement. It works way better for this kind of thing. The Mod Podge held up pretty well, but just contact cement is more built for foam on foam projects. When it comes to doing these and getting them perfectly even, I find the best thing to do is to hold it up to the sun so that you can see where the bone placement is, and then you can do it the exact same on the opposite side. Now for this part, I'm using like an old puzzle piece. Essentially those like kids puzzle pieces for the floor. It is basically Ava foam. I just cut out a bunch of little horn things and then jaggedly shape them. Because I think with like demon wings or dragon wings, they're not really supposed to be perfectly uniform horns. The foam for these horns is much thicker. It's like a brick of foam that I found at the dollar store. I guess it's for like exercising and stuff, but it's the same material. And I just adhere them with super glue and then do a little wraparound job with them so that it just makes it a little bit more seamless. Again, this would probably all be better with contact cement, but I'm doing it with Dollarama stuff. It helps to try and make them uniform, like the ones on the top are probably the biggest horns, and then the ones on the bottom are smaller, ones on the side, a little bit in between. You know, do whatever you like. I think the paint job was probably the hardest part just because I mixed the paint with Mod Podge so it wouldn't be cracking. I find that if you mix your paints with Mod Podge, it kind of creates more of a rubbery type paint so that it has some flexibility. And this did work, but I had to do a couple coats. So keep that in mind, I guess. Or use plastic dip, or just the type of paints that Ava foam suggests, I guess. But this did work, and it only cost me a couple dollars, so. Doing the edges and bones was probably one of the harder parts, so maybe do those first? I don't know. I really don't know which would be better either way. Black is hard to cover up. And we aren't testing our painter's taping skills today. If you know me, you know I work with leather, so I made this backstrap piece to separate these straps further apart since the wings are so in the middle of my back. The thing that the wings are actually attached to is just a piece of foam that I had coated in leather, so it just kind of matches. I sewed the wings into the back. I guess you could glue them, but I have no clue how it would necessarily hold up. I just know that the whole stitching thing isn't gonna just really come off unless the entire wing falls apart. And considering we want the wings to be able to flap a little bit, I think that the stitching is a little bit of a better option. I don't know, you could try glue and let me know how it works, I guess. And that's pretty much it. Not really anything more to it. You can do them any style, you can make them bigger, whatever. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I thought it was a fun little crafting video. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you.